Make money online watching YouTube video. Wow, $20, $13, $10, $7, $7. How can make money online watching YouTube video? But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. One of the most popular topics in the world when a person is having a busy day is looking to relax. After coming home is one of the recommended ways to listen to people. Giving relaxing songs, there are many resources to download relaxing songs. One of the which is YouTube. You can find many relaxing songs by searching YouTube. But we want to use this interest of people and earn money online. To do this, we first look for relaxing songs on YouTube. As you can see here, the videos have a lot of views, and you can use these views and these videos to experience a very high online income. One of the very easy ways to get these songs is that you first from this click on the Creative Commons option. When you select this selection, you can access large video source that you are allowed to publish, and you can create a complete video by selecting several videos and editing it. One of the programs that you can easily edit videos with is Camtasia. Another free way to create relaxation videos is to use sites like Pixels. From these sites, you can use video for free and put music on them. You can also use mixkit.co to select music. But to make money online with these videos you made, you first enter the shrinker.com. This site shortens the URL links and pays you a fee for every 1,000 views. Payments range from $20 to $3.05. The minimum payment amount is $4. Click on sign up to register, and you can see which is a very simple form. Log in to your dashboard after registration. You can shorten your links from this section. You can use the withdraw section to cash your money, and before to enter your account from the profile section, you can enter the payment account. But after shortening the link, you can use Instagram or forums to generate traffic. Follow the steps to search the Google form. As we say, the payment to Greenland was $20. Then so we make this setting in Google. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.